Good morning, students. I welcome you all to the class 4 Maths online lecture. So, we have completed the chapter number 5 introduction and we have started the story. Okay, in this story, Gappu was the main character who is a brave small little mouse. Okay, we have covered the portion up to the here. Starting from the here, just then a strong wind pushed the balloon out of the room. The balloon flew up and Gappu started going up to the sky. As he looked down, he could see his house. As he went higher, he could see things around his house. The park, the Gurudwara, the railway lines, sweet shop, and Suhasini house with a bigger water tank on it too. Okay, so as the mouse started flying in the sky, he saw everything from his eyes. When I run around in my house, it looks so big, but from here it looks so small. How is that? Answer to this question we have discussed in the earlier lecture. So moving further, who is on the railway track? Is it that fat cat Monty? Ha ha ha. From here it looked like a big white mouse. This must be Gurudwara where Amarjit goes every day. So now he is observing everything and passing comment on the places. I did not know there is any sweets shop here. Yummy. Okay, so he saw a railway track on which a fat Monty cat is there, and from the upside it looked so small that it is like a big white mouse. He saw Gurudwara where Amirjit goes every day, and he also saw a sweet shop. Okay, moving further, imagine how your classroom look from the above. Try to draw it and mark the benches, blackboard, doors, windows, etc. Okay, so firstly, understand this from the top view, we can only see something like this. Okay, we can see a fan, right? We can see a fan. We can see some benches, small benches in a row. Then we can see a blackboard. We can see a chair. Okay, we can see some student, but all will look like small objects. Okay, from here we can see just a window like this, door like this. Okay, open door. All thing will be look small. The balloon went up and up. Gappu kept wondering how big the world is. Now he could see lots of house, streets, roads and buses. As he went up, he can see number of things like houses, streets, roads, buses, etc. These cars and buses look so small from here, just like toy, and people look like ant. Isn't it funny? As we go upside, the downside things look small. Wow, is that the train looking like a long box from the here? Suddenly there was a loud sound. Put. The balloon bursted and started falling down and down. And everything started looking bigger and bigger. Thup! Gappu fell on the railway track. He ran to save himself from the cruel Monty, who is the cat, who ran after Gappu and the other rat on the railway track. So what happened? Suddenly a loud sound came and the balloon bursted out and the rat started falling down and fall on the railway track where the Monty the cat was there. Monty started chasing the Gappu and Gappu started running. When Gappu saw the railway track from the above, it looked like this. Yes, from the above, from the sky, we can see the railway track like this. But when he fell on the track, the railway track looked like this. Okay. Oh, things look so different when you look at them from the top and from the side. It is obvious that. from the upper side. Okay, if you are in apartment, from the terrace you see any person, you will see only his head. Okay, and in a small size. But when you are in front of him, you can see the whole body. This is natural thing. Look at these pictures and discuss why things look wide and big at this end but narrow and small at the other end. Okay, now what is the question? See, the railway track look wider at near, but at the end it look like they are intersecting, or they are narrow. What is the reason? This is the scientific phenomena that the nearer object look bigger, but as far your eyesight go, it will look narrow. Okay, in terms of candle also, they are all placed parallel. Okay, the distance are same, but due to the, what we can say, drawback of our eyes, we can see the object nearer to us exactly what they are, but as the distance increase, we will see the distance getting narrow. Match two views of the same pole. So here is the first view. Okay, here is the first view. In this, a girl is doing yoga, and we have to choose the same view. This is the topmost view. Now we have to see the front view. So these two are not the front view. These are the side views. So this will be removed. Now these two are left. Now understand, from this top portion, if we see from the left side, we can't see the head, right? But in this two photo, the head is visible, so we have to see from the right side. Okay, and from the right side, if we will see, this hand will be directed upward in the left direction, which is in this photo. So this one is the correct photo. Moving further, these are two different views of the same bowl. Okay, from the figure 1 and 2, you can see that the figure 1 is perfect, and in this second one, they are kept in the opposite direction. In which photos are the bowls upside down? Okay, what is mean by the upside down? This is what is upside down. This is the way we have to put the bowl, but these bowl are kept in the opposite direction. Okay, in the upside down way. So the answer will be to look at the side view in the photo 3 to find the answer. Okay, so here you can see that this is the third figure in which side view is given. This is the proper figure, but if we put this as a upside down direction, okay, we turn it truly to 180 degrees, so they will look like the second one. Draw lines to match the side view with the top view of the figure. So first is pipe. So this is the top view and this is the side view. Okay, these two are the pictures of pipes. And the funnel, this is the top view and this is the side view. You can easily say this answer. Okay, this is understandable. Try to draw picture of the shoe from the side, top, front, etc. So this is an activity which you can do at your home. This is not an compulsory activity, or this is not a thing which you have to draw in your notebook. From the next lecture, we will start the topic, the park behind Gappu's house. So here we end our lecture. Thank you.